Hi, my name's Sam and I'm from Zulu Explorer Unit. Today I'm going to show you another cool STEM activity, how to make a paperclip helicopter.
First, measure out a 6 cm by 12 cm rectangle. Then cut this out of the paper. Next, measure 3 cm in on the shortest side and then 6 cm down on the longest side. Cut a slit along this line. Now, cut another 2 slits, halfway in along each side, as shown. Fold our 2 propellers down, but make sure to do this on opposite sides of the paper. Then, using the 2 small slits we just cut, fold the remaining paper inwards and finish it up by folding the bottom edge. Finally, secure this in place with a paperclip. This will also help to add weight and make the helicopter fly better. Now you can test your paperclip helicopter by simply dropping it and watching it spin.
And that was how to make a paperclip helicopter.